Hello everyone, today we're gonna make a video about how to fix the Roblox app, because whenever you open it, it's gonna be like, like I will open like an app on PC or laptop. So what you're gonna do, ignore that and the notes bad, ignore it. It's because if I close it, then my recording will be closed, absolutely. I don't know even if it works when I open the Roblox player. I don't know if it will even work. So what you wanna do is just right click on the Roblox player, click run as an administrator, and if it's your first time doing this, it will be saying if it has like permissions or something. So you have to press yes for it to do, and it will let download again. Don't worry, you won't lose any progress. It won't log out of your account. And after you do it, after it's done, close if it pops up, after it pops up, close it, and boom, it's done. Just double click the Roblox player again or Roblox Studio, and it will bring you to the website. I don't know if I can do it and show you actually proof though, but I do have proof that it actually works. If I double click the Roblox player, it should work, but if I show it, the recording will close. So that's a very useful tutorial. If you didn't understand me, well, you can repeat it over and over again until you understand it. But that's the tutorial that I said. I will try to open the Roblox player now, and if it works, it will bring to today's site. If it doesn't work and it closes the recording, just know I tried to open it. See, I double clicked, and boom, that goes to the website. You saw proof? Okay. Now that you saw how to do it, I'm gonna close the recording now. Just make sure you know now how to do it. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this very useful tutorial for everyone that hates it. Click like notice me, I'm a fan. After you even do, because I'm a small YouTuber. And I found a solution to that. My dude that said it in a YouTube chat. I just did it and I thought that I uploaded it to YouTube. Anyways, bye.